What's up, guys? This is Luxurious Rides. Today I'll be showing you the 2020 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. Just gonna show you the bike. I'm getting a lot of messages on the air ride that I put and all the custom parts of the air intake here. Of course, everybody's loving that rear fender. That rear fender is from Mean Cycles in Florida, and the air ride is from Tricky Air. I think they're also based in Florida. Of course, we got the nitrous setup here. Custom seat, which goes with the rear fender. Mean Cycle also has that. Of course, we have the custom license plate mount. We have the custom engine covers here, as you can see. Of course, the air intake, custom engine cover. Of course, we have the highway bars here. I'm going to be changing the color scheme around a little bit. I might put some carbon fiber, the 3D, or I believe it's a 4D white, maybe about 6 inches long here, that matches with the gas tank coming all the way in the back. And of course, we have the custom brake light, the turn signals, integrated turn signals. Threw in my emojis here. Custom mirrors, chopper style. Custom front fender, gives it that mean look. Of course, we have the chin spoiler. I might color that to the grades to like maybe white, to matching with the bike. Custom turn signals. Cell phone mount. We start this baby up. Oh, actually, let me drop it, because as soon as I start it up, since I don't have a center stand yet, this will slide down because I'm on like a slope right now. Let me drop the suspension first. Okay, now it won't move. Custom headlight. Custom swing arm cover. Light connects the bike. Of course, since I love the white so much, this is a carbon fiber white that I'll be putting on the M109R. Same as the ZX10R. I didn't want to go with the green color scheme because I'm getting tired of that Kawasaki green. I'm not a big fan of that anymore. Of course, I'm putting the same carbon fiber white here, as you can see. It's a pretty nice color. Custom wrap job, looks amazing. Back to the M109. So I'll be posting a flyby video soon. A lot of people have been asking me for that. I have to do it with this bike. I have to do it with the R6 with the toast and the ZX10R. And of course, can't forget about the slingshot. That's coming up too. I'm doing some work to the engine after the engine cover up. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and like. I'll be posting more videos, guys. Take care.